Come in.
Good morning! I'm Ethel Di Parcaldino and I am your student nurse for today. By the way, ma'am, what is your name?
I'm Christine.
Okay, so today we will be performing some deep breathing and coughing exercise. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Now, I will teach you some deep breathing exercise that is very helpful to clear out your lungs. So, ang gusto ko pong gawin ninyo, ma'am, is maupo ng maayos. I would like you to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, like this. Okay, it's your turn. Okay, that was nice, pero ang gusto ko po, ma'am, is yung mas malalim pa po. Okay. Again. Now, take a deep breath again and hold it for 3 seconds and exhale slowly, like this. Okay, it's your turn. In deep breathing, it is also important to cough regularly as well. So now, hold a pillow like this to provide a comfort. And you breathe through your nose and cough twice, like this. Okay, it's your turn. Okay, ma'am. So, I suggest po na gawin niyo po yun 3 to 5 times a day while you are awake. So, do you have any question po?
None so far.
Okay. So, tapos na po tayo, ma'am. And thank you so much for cooperating. God bless.